The 2025 Milan Motorcycle Show has officially ended, and this year's event came with mixed feelings. Many visitors were disappointed that KTM, now under Indian manufacturer Bajaj, did not participate. But just when expectations seemed low, Norton appeared and instantly became one of the biggest surprises of the show. Since being acquired by TVS, Norton returned with 3 new models: the Manx, Manx R, and ATLSA GT. Among them, the Manx R Sportbike drew the most attention. The first impression of the Manx R is clean and sharp. There are no oversized aerodynamic wings or flashy graphics. The entire bike follows a minimalist design style, almost resembling the simple look of some electric motorcycles. It doesn't try to impress with aggressive lines, but its restraint gives it a unique presence among the current trend of flashy and complicated sport bikes. The Manx R will be offered in 4 versions. The most premium one is the FE First Edition, limited to 150 units worldwide. This version features a large amount of carbon fiber, including carbon fiber wheels, and comes equipped with a titanium Akrapovic exhaust. The suspension is a semi-active electronic system developed with Marzocchi. The mid-range and lower-end versions switch to aluminum alloy components and traditional suspension systems, clearly targeting riders with different budgets. The bike uses an all-aluminum frame and a single-sided swing arm. The exhaust system is neatly hidden under the chassis, giving the rear end a very clean appearance. Braking performance is handled by dual floating front brake discs paired with Brembo Hyper calipers, while the rear uses a single disc with a dual piston caliper. Cornering ABS is standard. The tires are Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa V4 SP, ensuring excellent grip for both street and track riding. Power comes from a brand new 1200cc V4 engine that produces 206 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. It features 5 electronic riding modes: road, sport, rain, and 2 customizable modes. An electronic quick shifter is standard across all versions. Norton also added an optimal shift indicator to help riders shift at the best timing, making the bike more beginner-friendly without sacrificing performance. The Manx R also stands out for its electronics. It comes equipped with an 8-inch TFT instrument display with Bluetooth, multimedia functions, keyless entry, an anti-theft alarm, and even GoPro control. The motorcycle uses the Bosch 10.3 electronic system, offering cornering cruise control, traction control, anti-wheelie control, rear wheel slip adjustment, and hill start assist. With this full list of features, the Manx R becomes one of the most technologically advanced sport bikes in its class. Overall, the Manx R is impressive in terms of performance, structure, and technology. Its minimalist appearance may not suit everyone's taste, especially riders who prefer aggressive styling. Yet, the Manx R represents Norton's determination to avoid blindly following trends. It delivers originality, equipment, and premium execution. As Norton's first V4 sport bike since the TVS acquisition, it shows a clear change in direction and ambition. Whether Norton can truly stand out again will depend on how the Manx R performs once it reaches riders.